Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Roofstock One to fund acquisitions, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with Roofstock One, visit their official website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in your email address and create a strong password. After submitting your information, check your email for a verification link. Click the link in the email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Roofstock One website and log in. Navigate to your account settings to complete your profile. Provide any required personal details, such as your full name and address. Link your bank account for fund transfers by selecting the appropriate option. Follow the prompts to securely connect your bank account. You may need to provide your bank login information for verification. Ensure that all information entered is accurate to avoid delays. After linking your bank account, go to the funding section. Choose the amount you wish to deposit for your acquisitions. Review any fees associated with the transaction before confirming. Select your preferred payment method, such as ACH transfer. Complete the transfer process by clicking the Fund Account button. You will receive a confirmation email once the funds are successfully transferred. Monitor your account balance on the Roofstock One dashboard. Now you're ready to explore property acquisitions and make informed investments. With your account authenticated and funded, start browsing available properties. Make sure to review each listing thoroughly before making a purchase decision. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.